For millennia, ancient humans would work under the sun under prolonged hours, which makes one wonder how they evaded common skin issues today, such as sunburn, as a result of excessive sun exposure. In fact, ancient humans across the world did use forms of sun protection that are analogous to the sunscreens we use today, and there are many lessons we can learn from natural techniques to protect and replenish our skin across different tribes and civilizations. Ancient Egyptians were subjected to extremely hot and sunny conditions, given that their civilization was located in the Sahara Desert, and some Egyptian slaves were subjected to working long hours under the sun to build many advanced structures, such as the pyramids of Giza. In fact, the Egyptians did use natural sun protection technique, which involved concocting a sunscreen that was made out of jasmine, rice bran, and lupin. In this natural sunscreen, rice bran is the specific active ingredient that would allow the ancient Egyptians to evade sun damage, as rice bran can absorb ultraviolet rays effectively. However, other methods of sun protection were not so useful. A case in point being the ancient Greeks, who would lather on olive oil to protect their skin from the sun beating down on them. While olive oil would help keep the skin of the ancient Greeks soft and supple, this method did little when it came to efficiently protecting the skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. However, this should not be seen as a cause of major concern for the ancient Greeks, as they would often wear long, loose clothing and large hats to protect their skin from the sun to make up for their lack of access to an efficient sunscreen. Additionally, women in Burma prevented sunburns with a paste made from the bark of the wood apple tree called thanaka, which effectively blocks ultraviolet rays, and ancient Indians were the first people in documented history to use zinc as a sunblock, as far back as 500 BCE, which is still a popular active ingredient in modern sunscreens today. While it's interesting to learn about the practices of our ancestors in taking care of their bodies, it also serves as a valuable lesson that may point towards natural methods of optimizing our health in a variety of ways.